Well, I think the main challenge is this academic year, not just this autumn, is going to be time. Okay, we've just come, schools are just returning from a long lockdown. Pupils different start points now, particularly in Year 11. And can we get those Year 11s ready for next summer's examinations, which I think will happen. They may be delayed slightly, but I think they'll happen. And Maths Squad is designed to try and help maximise, the impact and use of your time, if you like. Okay, let's look at how we're doing that. The secure mock, we've designed it in a way where we can look at other ways of looking at information in terms of assessment objective and the difficulty level of the question. The analytics tool is bespoke built for that model by Grahame Cumming and myself. So that's going to allow those key lines of inquiry and those questions to come up. That is a massive task potentially. Okay, we'll do that for you. They take that away from you. That's going to free up your time to concentrate on other things. And then off the back of that, we'll actually come up with practical ideas where we think we can help you. So again, that's time that you don't need to be spent trying to resource stuff and think of ideas yourselves. We'll be trying to do that and help you along with that. Obviously, that's going to take time, but we've got a lot of that there already built into the LGfL portal, so we can use that, and that will be a continuing, ongoing process over time. So we're looking to help you make the most of the limited time you have left, particularly with the Year 11s. And that's going to be vital moving forwards.